Life is a journey filled with joy and sorrow, successes and failures, beginnings and endings. We search for meaning in these cycles, wondering about our place in the grand scheme of existence. Two profound philosophies, Nietzsche's concept of eternal recurrence and Buddhism's principle of non-attachment, offer unique perspectives on how we navigate these cycles and find fulfillment. Imagine living your life exactly as it is, with all its joys and sorrows, triumphs and failures, an infinite number of times. Every smile, every tear, every victory, and every defeat playing out in an endless loop. This is the essence of Nietzsche's eternal recurrence, a profound concept that challenges us to examine our lives with utmost seriousness and introspection. If every choice, every action, every moment would be repeated endlessly, would we live differently? Would we make different decisions, knowing their impact is eternal? Nietzsche believed that embracing this idea could lead to a life of profound meaning and personal responsibility. It encourages us to live with intention and purpose. If we must relive every moment, then each one becomes infinitely significant. Every second, every heartbeat holds immense value. We are empowered to create a life worthy of being lived again and again, finding joy in the present moment, knowing it is not fleeting, but eternally recurring. This realization can bring a deep sense of peace and fulfillment. However, this concept can also be daunting. The idea of eternal recurrence can be overwhelming and intimidating. The weight of every decision, every regret, could feel crushing if repeated eternally. The thought of reliving our mistakes can be a heavy burden to bear. It demands a radical acceptance of our lives, flaws and all, and a commitment to living authentically, even in the face of suffering. By embracing our true selves, we can find strength and resilience. If you're enjoying this deep dive, don't forget to hit subscribe. I post one long video and 2 shorts every week, plus special series on my favorite books and TV shows. Buddhism offers a different perspective on life cycles through the principle of non-attachment, which is central to its teachings. Suffering, according to Buddhism, arises from our attachment to impermanent things, possessions, relationships, even our own identities. These attachments create a false sense of permanence. We cling to what we desire, pushing away what we dislike, caught in a cycle of craving and aversion. This cycle keeps us bound to suffering. Non-attachment, therefore, is not about detachment or indifference. It's about a deeper understanding. It's about recognizing the impermanent nature of all things and choosing to engage with life from a place of wisdom and compassion. This awareness transforms our interactions. By releasing our grip on these attachments, we free ourselves from the cycle of suffering and find true peace and liberation. This liberation is the essence of spiritual freedom. This doesn't mean renouncing worldly pleasures or relationships, it means engaging with them mindfully. Instead, it encourages us to appreciate them for their impermanent beauty without clinging. This appreciation brings a profound sense of joy. We can love deeply, experience joy fully, and still let go with grace when the time comes. This is the path to true inner peace. Cycles of life, bound by will or freed by wisdom. Both Nietzsche's eternal recurrence and Buddhism's non-attachment offer profound insights into navigating life's cyclical nature. These philosophies, though originating from vastly different cultures and eras, converge on the idea of awareness and intentional living. Nietzsche encourages us to live with intentionality and responsibility, embracing the weight of every choice as eternally significant. Each decision, no matter how small, is a thread in the tapestry of our existence. Buddhism, on the other hand, encourages us to find freedom from suffering by releasing attachment and embracing the impermanence of all things. This path teaches us to let go and flow with the natural rhythms of life. While seemingly different, both philosophies share a common thread: the importance of awareness. Awareness is the key to unlocking a deeper understanding of our existence. Nietzsche's eternal return asks us to become acutely aware of our choices and their consequences, urging us to live as if each moment will recur infinitely. While Buddhism encourages us to become aware of our attachments and their role in our suffering. By understanding our attachments, we can begin to dissolve the chains that bind us. Ultimately, both paths encourage us to live more fully in the present moment. They remind us that the present is where life truly unfolds. Nietzsche, by imbuing it with eternal significance, and Buddhism by freeing us from the anxieties of past and future. Together, they offer a balanced approach to a meaningful life. Finding your path through the cycles of existence. Nietzsche's eternal recurrence and Buddhism's non-attachment offer contrasting yet complementary perspectives on life's cyclical journey. One emphasizes the weight of our choices, the other the freedom of letting go. Both, however, encourage us to live with greater awareness, intentionality, and appreciation for the present moment. Perhaps the true wisdom lies not in choosing one philosophy over the other, but in integrating their insights into our own lives. To live with the understanding that our choices matter, that each moment is precious, yet also to cultivate a sense of detachment from outcomes, to find peace in the ebb and flow of life's cycles. What do you think? Can you live with eternal recurrence, or do you find peace in non-attachment? Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe for more philosophy insights at Chasing Sunsets 49.